Hello, my name is Dilip Sapkota. Welcome all of you to the video. In this video, I am going to show you how we can write our first Python program. First of all, I will use Python interpreter, and then again I will use Python IDLE. That is Integrated Development and Learning Environment, which is basically a text editor where we can write our Python program. If you are absolute beginner to the Python, I recommend you to write your Python codes using Python IDLE. Python interpreter and Python IDLE both are already installed in our system while installing Python. If you have not yet installed Python in your system, I have already uploaded videos in my YouTube channel. So let us start our first Python program using Python interpreter. I will go to the computer and then I will press the Windows Start button and then I will type CMD and then I will hit the enter button. Here I will type Python 3. If you are using Windows operating system, you have to type Python only. Since I am using Linux operating system, in my machine I have installed Python 2 and Python 3. Now I wanted to open Python 3 interpreter. So I will hit the enter button. As you can see here, I have opened Python 3 interpreter. Here I can write Python codes. In Python, if I want to display the output, I can use print function. With the help of print function, I can display the result. So I will write here print 10. I wanted to print 10. If I hit the enter button, as you can see here, it has printed 10. If I print 10.05 and then if I hit the enter button, as you can see, it is printed 10.05. Here I can write print 10 plus 10 and then if I hit the enter button, as you can see, it has printed 20. I will write print 20 minus 10. It has printed 10. If I write print 20 divided by 10, it will print 2.0. If I write print 20 2 times forward slash and then 10, it will print 2 only, no decimal points. This is called as floor division. Okay. Here I can write print 10 multiplied by 10. It will print 100. So this is the Python interpreter where I can write Python code. Here I cannot save Python files. If I want to save files, I need to use Python IDLE. So I will show you how we can do this. Now I will close this one. What I do is I will open the Python IDLE. To open Python IDLE, I will press the Windows Start button and then I will type IDLE. And then if I hit the enter button, as you can see, this Python interpreter is opened here. So I will type here print 10. As you can see, it has printed 10. To create a file, I'll go to the file and then click to the new file and then I will write something here print 10. I can go to the file here again and then save. So I will go to the desktop here and then I will give the name as test. If I click to the save button, now I have created a file called test.py. Keep in mind, Python file should be .py extension. Okay, if any file which is .py extension, that is Python file. Okay, here I can write Python program. So if I want to execute it, I need to go to the run and then I need to click to the run module. As you can see here, it has printed 10. I will take it right side a little bit and then I will print here 20 multiplied by 10 and then if I save it, and then if I run it, as you can see, it has printed 200. So I will show you another one example. 100 divided by 20, and then if I save it, here I am doing Control S. So if I execute it, as you can see, it has printed all the results. I have uploaded all the examples in a website. I will provide link in the description below, and then you can go to the website and you can do yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and then I will see you in the next one.